Welcome to Inspire Mathematics classes. Now we are going to discuss shortcut regarding integration by partial fractions. We are not going to expand it by using traditional method, 4-5 steps method. There is a shortcut. Have a look. Integral x upon 2x plus 1 common x plus 1 dx, and this integration 1, this is fraction number 1 plus this is fraction number 2, because in the denominator in the given function of which function we can going to find the integration. So this function 2 in denominator 2 factors, and 1 factor is here and 2 factor is here, and this is here 2x plus 1. Now write down, and now take 2x plus 1 equal to 0, and then 2x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to minus half. Now write down this complete function here, and in place of x put the value x equal to minus half, then 2 minus half plus 1, and here is also minus half plus 1. Since here carefully observe, this is 0, minus 1 plus 1 0. See, I wanted to say one thing. Since this is 0, anything is divided by 0 is meaningless, that is not defined, so this will be cancelled. Only in denominator having minus half upon minus half plus 1. In the similar way we find the numerator here, complete function, and here is x plus 1. So x plus 1 is 0 or x is minus 1. Now put value of x minus 1 in place of the complete function, that is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. In the similar way, this is 0, therefore this cannot possible. So because division by 0 is meaningless, that is undefined, so this is cancel. So therefore now move next step, minus half divided by half, that is this is minus half by half, and 2x plus 1 dx plus minus 1 divided by minus 1 dx by divided by x plus 1, or this is minus 1 upon 2x plus 1 dx plus 1 upon x plus 1 dx, and here in the normal integration derivative of denominator is 2, therefore we write 2 in the numerator, and balance is half, minus as it is, it come out the integration, therefore in denominator 2x plus 1 dx plus 1 upon x plus 1 dx, and here minus half as it is, and since derivative of denominator is in the numerator, so this value is log of mod fx, that is here log of mod fx 2x plus 1, plus it is also in numerator denominator x plus 1, derivative of x plus 1 is 1 in numerator, this is log of mod of fx, that is here fx is x plus 1, so this is, and plus c as it is integrating constant. So, and using the formula integral f dash x dx by fx equal to log of mod fx plus c as it is as the constant. So this is the final answer as it is. So that's it, very simple approach. This is useful for competitive examination. That's it. This is imaging method for integration by partial fraction. I have already discussed some rules in my channel. You can go watch the video and more videos will be made successively. So subscribe, like the videos. If you wanted to learn the formulas, you can go and watch the channel. I have made specific video regarding tricks of all the formula to remember. Okay, let's see one more example. Let's see one more example, and this is the example. Watch, still I have discussed all concept and applicable format of the question. Watch still and to know all the format applicable for this trick. This is Vedic math and this is integral. Slightly this Vedic math is here stick cannot be applicable, but here can be slightly can apply. That is, this is the first denominator and this is second denominator. And what is this in the above? As before, since x square minus 2 is 0, therefore x square is 2. Therefore 2 can be put in place of x square, that is 2y, 2 upon 2 plus 5, and here x square plus 5 equal to 0, that is x square is minus 5 put in place of x square, then this is minus 5 minus 2, and minus 5 cannot place in the x square plus 5 because this will be 0 in denominator. Therefore this is 2 upon 7 integration dx by upon x square minus 2 plus 5 upon 7 integral dx upon x square plus 5. Two upon 7 integral dx upon x square minus root 2 square plus 5 7 integral dx x square plus root 5 square, and 2 upon 7 as it is, and this integration 1 upon 2a, here a is root 2 and the formula is standard formula log of mod x minus a means root 2 by x plus a, and move to this integration 5 by 7 as it is. Integral dx by x square plus a square, standard formula 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c as a constant. Here the formula is integration dx by x square minus a square 1 to a log mod x minus a x plus a plus c, and this the formula x square plus a square 1 upon a tan inverse x by a plus c as constant. So you can ask me, this is the final answer, that's it. So you can ask me how to remember such a this formula. I have already made a video trick to remember integration formula. The next one is so you can see, it will save your time in examination and for various competitive examination. Let's have a look at another problem, and the problem is integration I x plus 1 upon x minus 3 x minus 2 x plus 4 dx. What about these 3 factors in the denominator? And you have to solve this question if you are going to apply partial fraction. At least you are going to consume 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so first, number 1 fraction is x minus 3, number 2 fraction is x minus 2, and number 3rd fraction is x plus 4. Now what will be the value in the upper, that is in numerator? Like as before we have shown the shortcut technique, that is here x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. Put here 3 plus 1 4. This will be cancelled because this will be 0. 3 minus 2, and this is 3 plus 4. This is x equal to 2, that is this here 2 plus 1, 2 minus 3 is 0. This is cancelled, 2 plus 4 is 6, and this is from this 3rd fraction x will be minus 4. Therefore minus 4 plus 1 minus 3, minus 4 minus 3, and this is minus 4 minus 2. Next move the next step, and this is x minus 3, and here is 4 upon 7. Comes out the integration dx, and this is 3 by 6 half, and this is minus 1, that is minus half. 1 upon x minus 2 dx, and this is minus half 1 divided by 14, 1 upon x plus 4 dx. So up to date, if you are not subscribed the channel, I request you must subscribe the channel.